Context of a community. The community is a valuable resource of knowledge. It is a resource which is actually in life giving information to the people in the community. And the learners, the students, and the teachers, and the school, they are informed in time about what is happening currently in the community. They must be welcomed by the school and the teachers, because if they are discouraged to participate in the school and other activities, then that means the school will be isolated from the community, and the community would be isolated from the learners who are the major part of the community. Communities are dynamic and change is important to survive. So it is not compulsory that the community would just stay as it is or it would stay stagnant. Communities have to make changes in their rules and regulations as well. But this can all be done together with the help of the staff of the school, the parents, and the students and the teachers. Therefore, it should be considered to be a resource which is actually giving the current information about all the activities that are taking place in the life of the individual who is living in the community. The parents should be also involved and engrossed to look at all the activities that are taking place currently in the community. They should also have a sense of appreciation, as well as they should also evaluate whether those activities are really contributing to the life and the family life of the children, and the school education is being also guided by the community and supervised by the community members and the leaders. If the school is not involving the community in the activities that are taking place in the educational circle of the student, that means the community would be deprived of knowing how the knowledge is being transmitted in the young generation of the community. The community leaders, they have a responsibility to see whether smooth education is being given to the students or not. They have a responsibility that all the activities are taking place smoothly and all the requirements of the educational standards required by the board and the university and the national curriculum are being abided by and provided to the students. Therefore, in order to know that, the best way to do it is in collaboration with one another. So that means the parents, the teachers, the school, the learners, and the community members would be well informed about everything that is happening in the school and all the events and activities that are taking place in the community would be well informed on time. This will help to have a very collaborative system of information in the community, and all its community members would be having the knowledge of whatever is being done and whatever has to be done in the future. They would also be aware of the needs of the learners and the young people and even the adults in the community accordingly. The community would be able to generate funds in order to help and support those students who really need some help financially or otherwise. The community can arrange fundraising events in which they can collect money and work for the betterment of the community. The community can also have a say in the job selection in the market, where they can try and get help from other people and other organizations in order to get some jobs and students employed for working in good organizations.